ahead and get it popping. Yo, what up? Perry Jeffries here, your ECFO, on our way to Wilberforce University to help launch off the semester talking about entrepreneurship. My topic today is building wealth through entrepreneurship. So I'm excited to share this information with these students who are part of the entrepreneurship program over here at Wilberforce University. And the message we're going to deliver, I think, is going to be spot on for this generation. So we're going to break down the title of the conversation, building wealth through entrepreneurship. We're going to break down the word building. And for you to, before you start doing any type of building, you have to have a plan. You have to have a blueprint. So we're going to dive into just the concept of building. 2, wealth. Wealth is such a broad term. How do you define it? How do you know when you're actually wealthy? How do you know when you've crossed over from being unwealthy to wealthy? So we're going to have that conversation and talk about how do you measure wealth. And anybody who's followed me know that we measure wealth in time. And what I mean by that is simply this. If you were to stop doing whatever it is you're doing today that makes money, how long would you be to maintain your quality of life? And then entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship? We believe entrepreneurship is not something you do, it's something you become. And we're going to dive into that. So stay with us. We're going to record this presentation, this workshop, and be able to share it with you. And maybe you can get something that these kids are going to get. So we're building wealth through entrepreneurship. Perry Jeffries, ECFO, out.